out, cause you just get me, yeah, you so pretty. If everything is dipped in gold, then baby it will never grow.
Hey loves, today I'm going to show you how to achieve a gorgeous hybrid wispy lash look from the comfort of your own home. First, you want to make sure your natural lashes are completely clean and oil free. This is super important because any leftover makeup, dirt, or oil can prevent the glue from sticking properly. Next, grab your lash glue and apply a thin layer along the base of your natural lashes, kind of how like you would do with mascara. The key here is to avoid applying too much glue. If you go overboard, it can clump up and cause your lashes to stick to the bottom lashes, which can be super uncomfortable. So go light and even with this application. Now it's time for the fun part, applying the lashes. You'll want to go in one by one, starting from the outer corner and working your way in. This helps you create that soft, wispy gradient effect. Start at the outer corner in longer lash clusters. This creates that beautiful lifted cat eye effect. As you move towards the middle of your lash line, switch to medium length clusters. This gives your lashes that fluttery, dimensional look. Finally, for the inner corner, use shorter clusters that keeps the look natural and prevents it from appearing too heavy. To get the perfect hybrid effect, alternate between classic and volume clusters. I didn't actually do this here, but that's something that I have been learning since I've been doing my own lash clusters in the past year. So yeah, and also when placing each lash, angle them slightly upwards rather than straight out. This gives your eye a more open, lifted look. Also, leave like a little tiny gap between each cluster so that it doesn't look so bulky. Right here, as you can see, I am just repeating the same thing that I did on the other side. So yeah, I let you guys watch. I'm not going to talk too much right here.
Social anxiety I fear, and I done been this way for some years. I don't really get along with my peers. Everything that they do to me is weird. So in a world full of weirdos, fools and scrubs, tell me what is it you're willing to do for love? You know it's true that the dating pool is fucked. Ain't nobody I have.
Once your lashes are applied, finish off with a lash sealant. This helps lock everything in place and extends the wear time of your lashes. Gently brush it along the base and through the lashes to keep them looking flawless. And now that's it. You've just created your own stunning hybrid wispy lash look. It's perfect for everyday wear or a night out. Let me know in the comments if you try this at home and share your results. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe and hit that notification bell so that you don't miss out on more beauty tips and tricks. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.